Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. So in human capital management, when employee is applying for a leave, we got some issue in the Redwood pages. Okay. So obviously we have to disable the Redwood page and, go ahead with the responsive UI page. So the problem where we are facing is after assigning options plan to the employee, then employee is trying to apply for a leave, right? So employee will go to navigator, employee role, and time and options, right? Time and options is we see multiple options here. We find time and labor, options bid, team schedule, options balance, existing options is, and add options. So add options is the option where we are going to, submit a request and options and submit for approval. The moment when we click on this, it is trying to open the Redwood page. Okay. In some instances, it's not, but when we are working in the project, there won't be any problem. When we are working because it's an, commercial instance and fresh instance, client has taken. So obviously there won't be any problem. But when we are practicing it, when we are in learning, okay, some of the demo instances will be facing this issue. So obviously, our learning should not be stopped, right? Learning process to be continued. So what we have to do is obviously we have to disable this, you know, Redwood page and enable the responsive UI page. Let me log in as implementation consultant. For this, we have to go for any Redwood page. If you want to enable or disable, it's very simple. For example, we are working now Oracle Fusion, right? So Oracle Fusion Cloud, which modules HCM, options management. Okay, where you are facing the problem, options, add options, right? Add options, Redwood page enable. That's it. That's what we are supposed to search in the documentation. Then we get exact profile name, right? ORC, ANC, add options. Okay. Let me log in as an implementation consultant. Go to FSM environment here. Now in FSM, let's go to global search here. Search for administrator profile. Manage administrator profile values. And whatever the profile option is there, ORA, ANC, add options. ORA, ANC, add options percentage. Search for the profile. Yeah, right now this is enabled. Redwood is enabled. Let me disable it. Let me go for save and close and click done button. Let me just log out and log in as an employee and try to do the same thing. Let's go to navigator, me, time and absences. Where do we see add options? Here. Now we'll be able to find the page. Yeah. And we can choose options type and start applying for this. It's basically the Redwood page in demo instance some issue. It's not something like, let me continue without journey and we choose the options type, right? The moment when we choose options type, we'll be able to see the, you know, other options like options plan internally. Now employee can choose the number of days leaves. It shows automatically the assignment information also in case if the options type is enabled with the assignment also. Yeah. See, there is an option to select multiple assignments if employee is having, and how many days from which date to which date you would like to go for applied. Okay. Yes, let's go for submit. You need to add an attachment because the options exceeds 3 days. Okay. While configuring the options type, rules are specified that attachment is mandatory if employee apply more than 3 days leaves. Okay. So just add some document. Generally, when employees are applying for the leaves, they'll be putting some request letters or proofs or any other, approval letters, whatever is required. That will be specified. Yeah, let's go for submit. So that's how we can work with this here. We can go ahead with here working on this. Thank you.